I'm Jared and we're talking about correct tire pressure. We all know how crucial it is for the safe operation of your bike and long tire life. So here is the genuine Harley-Davidson Compact Air Compressor with the light. Now, we all know, we've been there, you're driving around trying to check your tire pressure or even just fill up your tires. Harley-Davidson Air Pump is designed to simplify that. It's an all-in-one pump that actually plugs into your bike's battery charging harness, the quick disconnect that is sold separately, so acquire that and then you can utilize this. 0 to 150 PSI, got the built-in LED light. It's got this 11-inch air hose that wraps nice and neatly within the unit. So without further ado, let's lift up this bike and inflate these tires. All right, let's show you how this unit works. Again, you will need to purchase that battery quick connect in order to utilize this unit. It's got a really long cable, and once you plug it in, the LED light does come on, letting you know that it's gonna work and you can inflate your tire. All right, coming around with the unit, the LED light's on, so shed a little light on the subject, remove that valve stem cap. Also, a reminder, does come with the extension. You can see how tightly this cable fits into the unit, but I'm gonna go ahead and connect it if you have a tighter area. Again, utilizing that LED light, connecting to the valve stem. Hit the switch. Find your right PSI and the right tool for the job. This is your genuine Harley-Davidson Compact Air Compressor with light. This and many other Harley-Davidson products can be found at your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer, and you can always visit h-d.com.